नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सबका लाइफ एट मिश्रा जी चैनल पे। वी स्पोक अबाउट स्टॉक्स, राइट? हाँ, वी स्पोक अबाउट स्टॉक्स. Now the point is you understood stocks sector. What about the complete market? If I have to say Nifty, what about it? Did anyone understand what is the ideal? Did anyone search what is the ideal PE? Sorry, why am I writing answer? No, you guys didn't go across this. Huh. So this is quite important. Right now, I don't know how much it holds good at this point of time, but earlier till date, I mean till fall of Corona and then a raise of the market from there. Nifty, okay, Nifty PE was considered that below 18 is safe, and it will say that it is pro- properly, and below 12 it is undervalued. Okay, 12 to 18 was the range, it was called as safe. Above 18 was overvalued range. Okay, and one very important thing about market was whenever it goes around, sorry, I think, okay, whenever it went around 26 to 28, market was falling sharply down, and this was a very good indication to understand market and market falls. Huh. Now let me show you this. I, based on this also, I have traded a lot of times, or even invested, but this always holded good until now. If I have to see Nifty PE, it would be somewhere little high. Give me a minute. Nifty PE. Where did we go? No, not here. This is a new website, right? Not this one. So you can calculate the P from here. You can get the complete chart. Okay, this is the second thing which we are going to learn today. PB. We'll go there, but I want you guys to understand this PE first completely on this part. Nifty. ಪಾಪಪ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಡೇಟೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್? We'll go to 2000 Jan. We'll go 2001 to now. Okay. Hey, did we select it? Or date? Smart. I knew. And I see. Today's date or this month's date will take. Get data. Okay, fine. We'll go to only this year's date again. 2021. It would be higher than 30, what I understand. Please select the date range. Select ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ. Oh, sorry. Now let's go here. See, what is this? The date. It is above 30, right? Now it is coming down slowly. After later part of that, but it did dip from where market started falling, but it was quite high, 40. But then if we see before pandemic, okay, I want to show you this before pandemic, 2019. Yes, whenever, and you can observe this in the charts also to understand little better. 2019 again, 16 December will take. Get data. See, whenever it was around 26, 27 or 29, it market has fallen. If you go and check, market has to fall from there. If I have to go to again trading.com, TradingView, not trading.com, TradingView, market is supposed to fall from there. Reason was everything goes every year we have an expectation from PE, and if someone is par exceeding that, at least from Nifty, it really comes down for sure. And this is one data which everyone can rely on for, I think, for good period of time. But then for this year or from last year mid, this data is going on a toss. Maybe again it should hold good. I think it should hold good for a very long time again. But then I'll show you, the market has to fall, and it usually falls like that only. When I say it has to fall, it usually falls. Let's go there. This. Okay. Let me show. By the time it was May, right? From May around, I think June or July, it should fall, because it market cannot sustain for a very high PE for very long time. Again, this thing again I want to take your view on this. Why I am saying that market has to cannot sustain at that high PE. This is just a statistical data which we have come across. But then one thing which you also have to understand, why this is happening. You have to provide data. I told you, right? This is 18, right? From 18 also, if you see 18 point also, it has fell. This is 19. We were seeing till May, right? After that, see this fall. You understanding this? Even here, if I go nearby May, what is this? Yes, right? May, September 2018. Okay, September 2018 will go. This all, why it helps you is you will understand when to invest, when to not enter at the wrong time. See, investing is the right point. Now you can say that if the company is good, I can invest it at any point. But when the company is already at high point, if you invest at that point, market it will reject whatever you have went into. If you see May, again it was 27, it has again corrected, it has gone below again. If you see from May 2000, in August, from May to August it has went, it is May, right? From here it has gone up, it has exceeded, and then again if you see, there is a sharp fall. 2000, and then 2000 points fall was a big fall in Nifty, if I have to say. Now one thing I want you to understand, did I download this CSV data? I have to show that it decreases with time. Give me a minute. Is it opening? Or else you can change the date itself. We'll go to June 8th. Get PE data. You're seeing this after that fall, again it started decreasing. 26, again 24, it has decreased, again it goes up, and when it is above 18, no, it is usually said that it is in a overvalued state, and overvalued is always an idea of sell. But one thing you have to understand, why I told you should not buy, if a stock is very good, you should not buy it at quite a high point. I myself have done this mistake. It was RCF, if I remember, Rashtriya Chemical Fertilizers. I had bought it at 80 rupees around, I think 2017, when I just started my career here. Okay, we'll go. And from then market, this has not stopped falling. It has continuously fallen very high, and believe me, I had done my good analysis here. See here, this point I had brought it somewhere here, not here actually. At this point here, somewhere here, it went little up, and then see from there where it came, 20 rupees. It has gone up, no doubt it has gone up, and to be very frank, this is really one of the good PSU sectors. Not sector, a company, because it has a lot of assets. To be very frank, this is a company where I thought I would get from 100 to 1000. But then see what happened, I brought it at top, it came down. That point I did not understand this market cycle, this PE cycle at that point of time. You understanding what I'm saying? Clear to everyone? Okay. You can go and download any data. When I say any data from 2000 to 2018 19 till 19 until pandemic hit, you will find that whenever market has gone near this 28-30 range, it has sharply fallen down. Sharply fallen down as in at least that you saw at 2000 3000 points, that has been corrected there for sure. If you see here, dates have not been shown. If you see, it has gone again, it has come down. If you see data, it has to come down, and it's quite natural to it cannot stay at that high P. But right now market is at very high P, and this is an unusual situation. That's why I'm not very, what do you say, uh, adamant saying that no, market will fall. Because yes, I for me market should fall naturally, because there are a lot of uninformed investors who are part of this. If there is a fall, I have to see, will they still stay in market taking losses, or will they exit taking those small losses. So that will be a test. But again, when I say about the PE, you can check the complete data based on how this PE data we get. It usually, this PE data, whenever this is around this, it gives us a good indication saying that no, this point we have to buy, or this point we have to, this is the point where we have to sell everything. Give me a minute. I'd go to Feb. What has happened? Because I have not seen. I've forgotten if I've seen this. I have not seen the Feb 2020 data. That would give us more idea about how market had changed that period of time, and why market again became so much interesting for everyone. Not 2021. I'm sorry. 2020. Okay. Get P data. You see this? From again from 27 28, it has come to 17. And this is an ideal place to buy. Market can stay here. This is a good place. But again, after that, if you see, it has consistently increased, and it went to 40. If you saw this again, one thing which you have to understand, this is not one indicator that it will show that okay, market, if it is at 17 you have to buy. No, not like that. There are many things again you have to consider. The sentiment around it, why we should buy right now. Is the market corrected for 50%, or many things, many other things. But then this is one indicator that gives you good idea to buy. To be very frank, I saw this, but I was waiting it to go to 15, which did not. If I have to say in very clear words, I was waiting at least Nifty to go and reach around 6,500, which did not happen. This point it touched around 7,500. I was waiting this at this point, 6,900 to 6,500 point. It has to come, and then I was expecting to buy here. And on a very serious note, I actually started buying at this point. After these two candles, I think Kishore and Karthik can understand why I'm saying this. But until these two candles, monthly candles, were formed, I was not buying. I was very stubborn, saying that market would still fall. There are people who are lucky, who brought here and they stayed till here, but I was not among them. I was somewhere here. Right now, no. Even I have been following many ideas or any more of a data, but as I showed, and even have seen the PE has gone above 40, and which is uh, what do you say, very weird, which is quite dangerous for me to understand. But then 40 rupees, I don't know. For me, again, it has to for me, they see one thing about market, no, which I have learned, there is always a cycle. Okay, if now there is a big boom cycle, there would be also a what do you say, bear cycle, there should be, or else it won't be very justified for this. But one thing, see, one thing, at the end of the day, market will always go up. Okay, but it should not be like this, the line which I have drawn. It should be like it has gone up 50% down, up, down, up, something like this, down, again correct like this. So it should be a cycle like this, not like this. It market cannot go up like this. And here I find a very big problem with that. If you see, market has gone up like this. If, again I am saying, if this fall now, as most of the FIIs and DIIs would be on vacation for this New Year and Christmas Eve, this is not making very sense. But if this candle closes, again, this candle closes like this, it is a very big and good opportunity for me to sell anything. Am I clear? Any no, see, Amaraja, it will fall for sure. It will fall. But then Amaraja and ITC, I would no- I would keep a SL and keep. But Amaraja, I would still go and buy, keep buying it.